Okay guys, we are live now. Buck is going with his first attack from Khasi against Dub from KHYRWIT clan. He's going with his first attack, going with that zap dragon attack. He's zapping those air defense and clearing the funnel with a dragon right there. Welcome to the stream guys. This is a final MGC Clash Cup final. This is day 1 and tomorrow will be day 2. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Now he's deploying his mass dragon attack on the right side. Now the dragons are going to make their way inside the base, and the CC troops are coming out from the clan castle, and the dragons are gonna take their time here, killing all those skellies and witches. He doesn't have any rage spell, so this is gonna be a challenge for him for that back end air defense. That back end air defense is gonna burn all the dragons and the balloons. He still have his king and his queen on the outside of the base. So this is going to be a 2-star attack. It's not going to be a 3-star attack. It's going maybe 85%. 85% I guess. $86. Okay, Buck with his first attack on against Dub. 88%. Okay, 89, 90%. Wow, this is going to be a nice start from Khasi. A nice start from Khasi with a 2-star, 90%. Okay, finally the king is down and the attack. Okay, 2 stars for KHYRWIT, 90%. Where are we now in total destruction? 18%. 18%. Okay, 18%. Now it's time for KHYRWIT clan to go with their first attack against Khasi. We don't know which will be the first player from KHYRWIT to go against Khasi, so we'll just stay tuned until the attack. 37 minutes left until the war ends. So everyone, before we okay, now KHYRWIT with their first attack. Shelly going against Dr. Zector with his hybrid attack, Zap hybrid. We're going to see the Zap value here. Where is going to Zap? Okay, he's using, okay, he's taking down that single target Inferno and using that wizard to clear the funnel for the queen, and then he's gonna start with the queen charge. Okay, the queen charge is gonna take her time here. This tournament is quite a challenge because there won't be any super troops, there won't be any machines, siege machines I mean, so it's pretty challenging. So the ones who are getting a 3-star or a 2-star, 90% plus, they are good. So let's see how he's gonna attack this base, deploying the king on the right side for the funnel so that he can drop his hybrid directly into the core there. So he's luring the CC troops and dropping that poison. The queen is down and the CC troops still standing. Wow, this is gonna be a problem. This is gonna be a problem for Shelly. because all of those skellies are still up, and the witch still up. Wow, along with that baby dragon is gonna take down all the troops. Okay, and then now the king is still on the outside of the base, and the town hall is gonna be down from the miners. The miners gonna take down the town hall, but sadly this is going to be a 2-star low percentage. 2-star low percentage. That baby dragon is taking down troops one by one. Wow, baby dragon, OP baby dragon. 68, 68, 70, 71, 73, 74, I guess. 74 or not. Yeah, 74. Shelly with his first KHYRWIT with their first attack, 70%. Where are we now in the destruction? 18 by 14.8. Khasi is in the lead now. Khasi is in the lead because of that percentage destruction. They have to secure that high percentage. Even if they plan on two-star the base, they have to make sure they secure a high percentage. Okay, before the attack, for those of you who are watching the live stream, please make sure to like the stream and share to your fellow clashers, and you can also subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. Please subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Thank you so much everyone for coming into the stream. So let's see, latre KHYRWIT pat nang ongra bro, pat nang ongra. KHYRWIT dang mahi, first attack 70%, Khasi 90%, 74%, 90, 74. Today is day 1 and tomorrow will be day 2. The ones who lose today, they still have a chance to fight for tomorrow's match, because this is a double elimination match. Final is a double elimination match. For a team to win the final, they need to win 2 times. Okay, and the one who loses 2 times will be knocked out from the tournament. I mean, they will lose the final. Dr. Zector going against Shelly. Khasi with the second attack. Dr. Zector coming in with Bowler Witches. Okay, he's using those golems for tanking, and the witches will take down those units one by one, and he's deploying that. Oh no, the troops are going round and round. The troops are going round. Khasi. Wow, this is going to be 1-star attack. This is going to be a 1-star attack. Wow. One-star attack. Come here. Hello. 1-star attack. Oh my god. Shish. He deployed so early those troops. Actually, he should have funneled first so that the troops will go into the core. Because this is a ring base. Ring base, you can't risk your attack like that. You just deploy each and every troops, then it's going to be a risky attack. Wow. A small suggestion, actually he should have cleared the funnel first and then deploy the main troops and then the jumping spell so that the troops will go into the core. Wow, 1-star attack from Khasi in their second attack. In their second attack. Let's see how KHYRWIT is going to respond in their second attack. Where are we in the, where are they in the destruction? 32 by 14.8. Okay, 32. Let's see how KHYRWIT is going to respond in the second attack. They will be having a chance. They will be having a chance. Today Khasi have to use their first attack, right? Today Khasi have to use their first attack. Today is day 1 and tomorrow is day 2. KHYRWIT will have to use their second attack tomorrow, or their first attack. It will be like shifted. First attacks will be shifted. Today it's Khasi and tomorrow will be KHYRWIT clan. So that the matchup, the tournament will be equal, right? So, like unreal. Why aren't they attacking yet? Wait a minute, let me check the... Okay, they are attacking now. Jeff from KHYRWIT going against Agent P. Jeff from KHYRWIT going against Agent P. Their second attack with those Hawk Miners. Hybrid attack. Queen charge hybrid. Queen charge hybrid. Okay, he's deploying that queen charge from 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock along with that baby drag. He's going to take his time with his queen charge. Okay, those X-bows might be a problem for the queen. Okay, the queen is going around. The queen is going to that inferno compartment. One archer is coming out, but not the full CC. Okay, the enemy queen is down. The enemy queen is down. He's wasting his time here. Time might be a problem in the end. Okay, he's deploying that hawk for the CC troops. Finally, the CC troops are coming out, and the queen is going to deal with that CC troops first, and then he's going to drop the hybrid. I don't know where he's going to drop the hybrid, but I guess it might be from where? From 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. No, he's dropping from that 4 o'clock. Wow. Okay. Wow, Tesla farm at that town hall compartment. And the queen is going to take down all those that town hall. And oh no, the queen is not going to take down the town hall because the healers, there are no more healers. Wow. Okay, he's gonna get that 2-star. He's going to get that 2-star. But I don't see this going to be a 3-star attack. Right? %. Wow, it is going to be a 3-star. Is it? Wow, OP. KHYRWIT is on the lead now. KHYRWIT will be on the lead now. Oh no, this is going to be a time fail. Time fail, wow, time fail. Oh, 97% 2-star time fail. Jeff. KHYRWIT is coming in strong, and now they are lead. They are in the lead with 1-star. They are in the lead with 1-star. They are in the lead. Okay. Against a ring base. Just that town hall. Skeleton. X-Bro is not in range. X-Bro is not in range. Wow, OP skellies, OP skeletons are taking down that town hall. Oh wow. OP skeletons, OP. Securing that 2-star. Actually, it should have been a 1-star, but those skeletons saved the attack with a 2-star. Wow. OP skeletons. This is going to be a 2-star, but KHYRWIT is still in the lead. Because because of that 1-star attack from Khasi, KHYRWIT is still on the lead. And now KHYRWIT, okay, that's only 83% or 82%. Now KHYRWIT is going against. Who's attacking now? Candy going against Buck. This is also their third attack. Candy going against Buck. With that, I don't know which attack is this. Valkyrie Bowlers using that golem for tanking. Okay, now he's dropping those bowlers. Yes, this is how you should attack. You should clear the funnel first, and then dropping those troops and then jumping spell, you know. Because if you just drop everything, then it might be a problem. These clans will be on tight stars. Hala thut hala kanat. Thut hala kanat. Beli shamne thut kanat. Slow hala kanat. Kalau no stream ka piang na. I wish I had a Wi-Fi. If I have a Wi-Fi, then I will be streaming for like 4 hours, 5 hours a day. Wow. Let's jump to my base first because they haven't attacked yet, so Why does the chat is very silent? The live chat is very silent. No one is popping in the live chat. No one is commenting in the live chat. Why? Okay. So KHYRWIT, I mean Khasi with their fourth attack. So going against Jeff with mass dragon attack. Zap mass dragon. Okay, he's taken down that air defense along with that wizard tower. Wow. So he's not taking down that wizard tower. He should have taken down that Wi-Fi na the best stream. Take a stream ko lag number ba. Okay, Ray from KHYRWIT going against too much damage, and the king is going to target that queen as well. Okay, the troops are coming out from the clan castle. He's going to take his time here. Wow, those healers, that air defense is burning down. It's taking down those one healer. One healer is down by that from that air defense shot. Okay, he's deploying those hawks. Did he know that hawks don't attack non-defense units? Okay, maybe he's testing the Tesla farm there, because if the Tesla farm is there, so he can take down that town hall, right? So wow, that the hawks are struggling. The hawks are struggling there. See that minion there? He's fighting for the town hall. He's fighting for the town hall. One minion is fighting for the town hall. He should have used those wall breakers the moment he dropped that archer. The moment he should have dropped that wall breaker first and then the archer. Wow, he's using that rage spell for the town hall. Okay, he's going to secure that 2-star. Secured. 2-star is secured. But I don't see this going to be a 3-star because of the time. Time is an issue here. There is also a 2-star high percentage for KHYRWIT. Khasi needs that 3-star. Even though they get a 2-star high percentage, they won't beat KHYRWIT, because KHYRWIT has been so high in percentage. 71-62. Both have completed 4 attacks each, and still KHYRWIT is on the lead with percentage 71.2 by 62.4. They need if Khasi got a 2-star here, then KHYRWIT also got a 2-star. It might be tight on stars, but not percentage. KHYRWIT will be leading on percentage, so Khasi will have to secure a 3-star. They will have to secure a 3-star. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Khasi going with their fifth attack. Agent P going against Candy. Agent P going against Candy, using the same attack strategy here. Golem, Witches, and Bowler. He's dropping everything. There is also a ring base. How are the troops going to enter that compartment there, the town hall compartment? Wow, okay, they are going. Are they going inside? Yes, they are. Wow. Okay, 2-star is secured. Those witches are going to face against that multi-inferno, and the witches are down. Only the queen and the bottom witches are left. The queen with her ability, this might go into a 70%. Right, 71, 72, 73, 74, or 75, or 76. Wow. Khasi, they are losing this match day 1. They have to fight against tomorrow. They have to fight again tomorrow. But we can't say that yet, because if KHYRWIT get only a 1-star in their last attack, then Khasi might win this final day 1. Right? Wow, 78% for Khasi in the 5th attack. 78%, 71.2. KHYRWIT is left with their last attack. Bam satu kuai. Okay, Dub from KHYRWIT going against Dame Bakrao. Which attack is this? Okay, Hawk Valkyrie attack. He's going to take his time with that queen charge and clearing and pathing that funnel with the baby dragon. He's not bringing any wall breakers. I guess he's going for queen walk. He's not going to be a queen charge. This is going to be a queen walk, right? Because he didn't bring any wall breakers. Oh, he's using Valkyries. No, Valkyries are going round. Valkyries are going round. And the CC troops are coming out from the clan castle. That baby dragon. Okay, dub with that 2-star. Okay. KHYRWIT wins today's match, day 1. KHYRWIT wins day 1 match, final. KHASI still have a chance tomorrow. KHASI still have a chance tomorrow. This is going to be a high percentage attack. Wow. That queen. Look at that queen. Beating through that wall. 90%. Wow. Well played, KHYRWIT. Well played. %, 91, 92, 94. My battery only 2%. I forgot to charge my battery. Wow. 97% for KHYRWIT in the last attack. And Dub is closing in with a win for his clan. 78-90. 90.6% by 78%. Tight on stars, but difference in percentage. KHYRWIT won today's match by percentage. Congratulations to KHYRWIT clan. And KHASI will have to face again tomorrow, day 2. Tomorrow we'll have day 2 final, and KHASI will have to fight for their win. They have to win tomorrow. If they win tomorrow, then we'll have to do it again day after tomorrow, right? So if KHYRWIT wins again tomorrow, then the tournament will go to an end. Congratulations to KHYRWIT clan. Congratulations. So everyone who is watching the stream, so please make sure to like the stream and subscribe. You can also donate through Google Pay or UPI Pay, and my information is provided in the live chat, the pinned message, right? So thank you so much everyone for watching the stream. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye. Peace.